Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Avengers drawing easy. First, let's start with the fundamentals. Begin by sketching basic geometric shapes like circles, squares, and rectangles to form the character's foundational structure. This helps establish the pose and overall proportions accurately. Remember to use a light hand with your pencil, making it simple to erase and refine your initial lines. Focus on getting the head, torso, and limb placement correct before moving on to any intricate details. Now, let's refine those initial shapes into more defined features. Start to sculpt the musculature and body parts, giving your Avenger a heroic physique. This is also the stage to incorporate their iconic costume elements and accessories. Remember, consistent proportions are key. Most heroic figures are about 7 to 8 heads tall. This guideline helps maintain a balanced and powerful appearance for your character, making them instantly recognizable. With the basic structure and features in place, it's time to add the intricate details that bring your Avenger to life. Focus on facial expressions, costume textures, and any specific weapons or gadgets they might carry. Once you're satisfied with your pencil drawing, carefully ink over your lines using a fine liner pen. Allow the ink to dry completely for at least 5 minutes before gently erasing all the underlying pencil marks, ensuring a crisp and professional look. Finally, let's add color and shading to make your Avenger truly pop. Begin by applying your base colors smoothly and evenly, making sure to stay within your inked outlines. Next, introduce shading to create depth and dimension, thinking about where your light source is coming from. This adds a three-dimensional quality. Finish by adding subtle highlights to key areas, giving your drawing a dynamic and polished look that truly brings your superhero to life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.